Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to decorate for Christmas. I am so excited, so let's get started. So we are upstairs in my loft, and this is a section that we actually got a bigger TV, so I needed a smaller tree. So I got my first pintle flocked tree from Walmart, and guys, I am in love with this tree. It is so beautiful. This tree was $79 and it looks so much more expensive. It does make a mess, but I honestly don't even care because it was so worth it in the end. I love this. So here I am just fluffing it out. It took me a good while to fluff it out because since it's a flock tree, it's a bit harder to fluff out, but I had a lot of fun doing it. Okay guys, so this is the beautiful flock tree. I'm not done fluffing it out yet, but I love the way it looks. It fits perfectly right here because this is the TV stand I was talking about. It's pretty large and I really didn't want to move it. So this little flock tree fits perfectly here. But it is a little too short, but what I do with my Christmas trees when I want more height, I just put a box underneath it and I just put it on top of it and it makes it look so much more grand. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So now this is what it looks like. It's very tall now, but I gotta fluff it. So this tree is gorgeous. It does make a mess. Right there you can see. I put the box over all the mess. I'll probably just clean it after Christmas. It's not a big deal. There is a lot of mess from this tree, but honestly guys, it's so beautiful. It makes it completely worth it. Yeah, so I'm a little out of breath because I don't know what I thought about. I don't know why I didn't put this box before. I literally had to carry this right now and put it on top of the box, so whew, that was work. So I bought this really pretty tree skirt from Hobby Lobby. I loved how simple it was. You know me, my burlap. I love burlap. So now it's time to turn the lights on. So this is a little trick that I love to do. I mean, I'm pretty sure you've seen this somewhere else. I'm pretty sure I'm not the first one to do this, but I love using floral arrangements like this in my tree. I love the way the texture looks and I love berries. So for this vlog tree, I wanted this tree to be nothing but reds all over the place. Nothing but red ornaments, red berries, and that was the plan. And a couple of little pine cones. I just bend this and I just stick it in and I just put the branches over so it doesn't show. And also the ornaments and other stuff I put, it's gonna cover it anyway. But I love the way this looks. I didn't film myself decorating the rest of the tree, so that's gonna have to be seen in the Christmas home tour that's coming soon. But I love the way this looks so far. So this is the garland I'm using this year. It's the 9-foot flocked garland from Walmart. And these were $12.97. So I'm going to put the garland all right here, down here, and then in that little section right there. So for the garland, I decided to do something really simple. I love my red berries, and I just decided to put some red berries on this flocked garland. It's so simple, but it looks so beautiful, and I just ended up adding some lights later on in the day because I love lights all over. So that just made it all come together, and I just adore the way it came out. So now I'm just decorating the shelves of the TV stands, and I'm just making this cute little tray with some Christmas trees and a truck. And I just threw in some potpourri because I love decorating with potpourri because it just smells good and it looks pretty. So that's what I'm doing now. So now I'm just working on the living room tree and fluffing it out.
Alright guys, so this is my living room. Let me just show you the process for decorating. I'm definitely taking it slow this year. I'm going really slow. I just want to make sure I don't go crazy like I do every year, because it's very overwhelming when you see all this stuff. You're like, oh my gosh. So this tree, I need to put it on, I normally put it on like a picnic basket, and it gives it more height. So I'm gonna do that there. And then this tree is, I actually thought these two trees were the same size and the same tree, but they're not. This one's a lot darker than this one. You can't really tell. But this is a 6.5 and this is a 6 foot, I believe. But I'm gonna put this outside. I've never put a Christmas tree outside, so I am pretty excited to see what it looks like. So this is my porch decor section. I'm still organizing all of these bins and getting some decor out. I still have to put all my fall decor back, so that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm just gonna put all the fall stuff in these bags and throw them in the storage closet because I'm reorganizing that. So far I like the way it's looking. The upstairs looks really pretty. I've showed you how that looks, but I love this garland. It's so beautiful. It's so simple, but it's so pretty with the flocked garland and just the red berries. And you can see it's up there as well. So far I like it. I started to decorate the entryway and the bookcases and put all the pillows out. I'm still waiting for some pillows from TJ Maxx, so that should be coming, I believe, tomorrow. So yeah.
So now I'm just working on the entryway. I'm just cleaning out all my fall decor and getting ready for all the Christmas decor. Of course, gotta decorate with some ornaments. And I love putting this wreath on this sign. I love that sign. It's from Hobby Lobby. And that wreath over it just looks so pretty. And I'm just putting some garland and Christmas trees. Pretty simple.
Okay, so now I'm putting ribbon on my tree, and what I do is I don't normally decorate the back of the tree. Like, the back isn't really decorated much. I actually bought this ribbon from the Dollar Tree last year, and I only bought one because they only had one, but I loved the print. There we go. So I loved the print. It's so beautiful and so just classic Christmas. And they only had one, so I was like, I'm gonna make it work. Just to show you guys, this was 9 feet. And what I did was I cut it into 3 little strips. So as you see here, here's the other one. So that's the first one right there. Here's one, and then I have the other one. So I cut it into 3 strips. So they're basically 3 feet each. And now I'm just going to connect it over here to where it looks like it's all one ribbon. And what I normally do is I put it behind like a flower or an ornament to where you can't really tell that it's 2 different things. Or you could even tie them together if you don't care about the knots. But what I do, I just stick them into the tree and it just ends up staying there because I don't really move the tree a lot anyway. So yeah. So let me show you what it looks like when it's finished. All right, so this is what it looks like. Have some here in the bottom. I love the way it looks so far. So I am loving these berries. Oh, I just love the way it looks. And yes, that is a Spurs ornament. I have that one, and then I have this one. So cute. I love them. So this is like our ornament tree. This is the one we bought this year. When we went to Montana, we bought this one. These are from 2016. Yeah, 2016. Then we have our 2015, which is when we went on a cruise. There we go. We went on a cruise. And this is the one that Daryl chose. I chose one too, but I don't know where it's at. So I'm looking for that one still. And this is from Christmas 2017 because I really liked this ornament. I bought it at Target. We were in Florida this year, so I just decided to get this one because what we do is every year we get an ornament that just basically represents the year. So as you see, there's like a little star in Jacksonville in Florida where we're at. So I really like this ornament. I thought it was really cute. So we're making progress. I have one bag up already because what I decided to do, I'm actually going to stop using these bins because these bins take so much space and these bags are huge, but I have like 5 of them. So over here, I put all of the fall decor. So what I think I'm gonna start doing is just having these bags in there, 2, 3, and I have one more, and just stack them on top of each other. And that way I can just grab, like I'm gonna label them in front like what it is. And that way I can just grab it and it's be all the decor versus having these. Because you can, honestly, you can't really fit that much in there. So I think I'm gonna start doing that. That's gonna be really cool and it's gonna be easy to organize. These are the curtains I'm gonna put up here. Because I bought those for the fall and I thought they could work for Christmas, but I don't really like how dark they are compared to the bright red. I just decided to put up my neutral curtains. I bought these from IKEA a long time ago and I didn't really want to buy another pair of red curtains, so that's what I'm gonna do. Over here is my decor section. So this is all the decor that I have not used yet. I bought these from Walmart. They're so freaking cute. I have a bunch of kitchen towels I need to put up. These are probably open the kitchen. I haven't decorated the kitchen or the dining room, and I'm actually probably gonna go buy some more decor because I gave away a lot when I was clean. So yeah, I still have to finish doing the bookcases. I haven't finished it entirely. And oh, let me show you real fast. So I bought some pillows from tjmax.com like I showed you guys in that shop with me. So I bought this one. It's so cute. And I bought this one. But y'all, these right here are my favorite. I'm really trying to convince myself not to get more because these are so freaking perfect. They're huge, they're good quality, and they are so soft. And this plaid is just perfect for Christmas. Like when I saw it, I was just like, I need to have it. Okay, so this is something that I splurged on this year. I've always wanted a throw that's monogrammed like this, and I finally did it. This was like my early Christmas present to myself because I've always wanted something like this. So I believe it was, I don't remember the price, but it ended up being like $30 or something. I know you guys are probably gonna be like, what the heck? But I really wanted it and I feel like it's so gorgeous, and this is gonna be something that stays in the family for a long time. So I loved it. All this stuff right here is all porch stuff. And then over here is the entrance. So yeah, guys. But you see how pretty it would have looked if it was like 2 trees right there? But I'm being really cheap and I don't want to buy another tree because honestly, guys, these trees right here probably won't last next year. Not that they won't last, but Daryl had told me that he wants to buy me a Balsam Hill tree because I always talk about it. So Daryl said that he wanted to buy a Balsam Hill tree for me next year, like all the way up to the ceiling, and spend like, I don't know, $500–600 on that. But that's why I decided not to buy another tree because these trees probably won't be here next year. So that's why I decided just to keep one tree, and then next year we'll buy a Balsam Hill tree that's like super duper tall. And yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed all my mess and what comes with decorating. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye, guys.